currently 20 to 2 and I've not filmed anything yet today, so who knows how this video is going to go. Maya's just gone to the shops. She's going to pick up some stuff for lunch. I think I'm making like my classic salad. Hooray. Just talking about you.
Right.
I said you were just going to get some lunch and I'm making the salad.
I did an oopsie.
Oh.
I forgot to vlog. This is what I got.
I literally just said I hope she's vlogging something.
Hall. Feta.
She bought the wrong ingredients for my super secret Smithomatic salad.
You didn't communicate it to me.
We're like...
This is what I use for the other one, so I just assume.
Oh, alright. Maya likes to indulge in the Kardashians all the time. She's hiding behind this paper. This is the salad that I like to make. It's couscous, cheese, leaves, and chicken. Sometimes I like grapes in there as well, but not today. I'm just doing some more work on that fancy furniture. Right, we better take the dog for a walk, I guess. Did you have a good walk? Finny, did you have a good walk? I think you liked it. I feel like I look such a fool walking around the bandstand. What do you mean, no? It's because it's your pajamas. Maya's made her own hospital pajamas to wear out today. So we both look like fools. I'm doing laps around the bandstand and she's a patient. We're doing a tidy up. This office gets to be a mess so quickly. We've got the time lapse set up.
Everywhere.
I'm really bad at pointing to stuff that's behind me. You know, at your phone, which is there. Do you know what I mean? Like, I find it really hard to.
Yeah, that's hard.
Yeah, I have to practice. But in any take where I'm like, that thing there behind me, I've normally done that like 10 times off camera first to make sure that I got it right. Because whenever I try and do it on camera, I'm like, the phone, which is there. It's like when you're trying to cut your own hair and the mirror's the opposite way around. You know? I don't think I'm like a hoarder as such. But I definitely am someone who likes to collect things. This is just a small portion of my hats.
You were talking to me.
I was talking to you, and then I realised that this camera was still on. I need to learn to do some like hat tricks, you know, so I can like. Huh?
Slay.
Snatch. Obviously, it'd be completely irresponsible to get Chinese every single day, so I'm gonna go to the chip shop today instead.
Sausage, please.
I got a Savoy and a regular because I thought you might like to try one.
Oh.
Maya's tired, so I'm going to take her home. Oh, you sleepy? But I've got some editing to do, so I'm going to take her home. And then I'm going to come back I'm going to finish the edit. It's the balloon edit.
What?
My eyes twitching.
Your eyes twitching.
You see it?
Yeah, it's gross.
I showed her. Come on, let's go home then if you're tired. Alright, let's finish the editing. Editing snack.